Hola, buenas noches y bienvenidos a El Universal. We have just interrupted our normal coverage of the presidential election with a special economic announcement on the current meeting of the OPEC committee. A major economic downturn in the oil market, about 7%, reported by CNN just earlier this morning, the committee has plunged into a frenzied pandemonium to rectify the situation. After electing Algeria as the Secretary-General of the committee quickly moved to put together an action plan to slow this economic downturn and bring BPD prices in quotas back up to par with the international market. I am currently standing here in the midst of oil riots in front of Caracas, Venezuela, and we now cut to Ecuador for a special exclusive on the committee. Apparently, this was a result of a terrorist attack on a major oil rig, causing consumers to lose confidence in the oil industry for this period of time.
Following the terrorist attacks on oil rigs, oil prices are dropping fast. OPEC is doing all it can to keep BPD cuts and quotas in line. But I must emphasize, there is no need to panic. It was ultimately Saudi Arabia's misleading information that allowed this crisis to occur. With these continued action plans, oil prices should stabilize in just a few hours.
Apparently, the panic also came after a new scientist introduced a product called Nuclear X, which supposedly might change the oil business.
Just came in and he said that I've discovered a new nuclear-powered technology that will replace oil. Then the scientist left, and OPEC as a committee tried to find successful ways to end it, whether they were legitimate or illegitimate. One of those included making up something that involved cancer among lab rats in a study. And then the scientist came in, we asked him a bunch of questions, and we realized it was only $85 for a gallon of this Nuclear X, which is a new technology. And after realizing that, OPEC became a lot less worried because we know that we can go down to $70 if needed. So we're not really worried about that.
Hopefully, such optimism will prevail and the oil market will stabilize along with the Venezuelan streets. Until then, however, buenas noches, good night.